Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ferrari California. First, you'll want to unlock your beautiful vehicle using the key fob. These fobs typically have 3 buttons for lock, unlock, and trunk release. A healthy key fob battery is essential for seamless operation, so always keep an eye on its charge. This simple first step ensures all systems are ready for your drive. Once inside, take a moment to get comfortable. Adjust your seat using the power controls, usually found on the lower left side, to find your ideal driving position. Next, release the latch below the steering wheel to adjust the entire column. This ensures you have clear visibility of the gauges and easy access to all controls, preparing you for an exhilarating experience. Now, let's move to the ignition. Insert the key into the ignition barrel, just like you would in a conventional car. This action powers up the vehicle's electrical systems. Crucially, you must firmly depress the brake pedal with your foot. This is a vital safety measure, ensuring the car is stationary and ready for the engine to engage. With the key turned and your foot on the brake, your Ferrari is ready to roar to life. Look for the distinctive red engine start button, typically located on the steering wheel itself. Give it a firm press, and you'll hear the magnificent 8-cylinder engine ignite, signaling that your Ferrari California is now fully prepared for an unforgettable journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.